Well, it's Monday afternoon about 4:30. Time to get at it. We're gonna strip her down. Motor's coming out, transmission coming out, all the running gear's coming off of it. Probably the back deck is coming out of it. We gotta figure out why she's at attitude sitting here. Something's got it bound up where it won't let the left side set down. As it stands right now, Thursday or Friday, she is heading to West Virginia to go on the jig. We'll get more in depth into what's bent on it once we get her stripped down. We have had this left side destroyed the last 3 weekends. Oh man. Life of a dirt tracker. No, we're getting her apart. We're about a little over an hour into it. Had to cut the lower control arm because this would not come out. The bushing that holds the shock bolt in. But it didn't matter because the lower control arm was bent all the hell anyway. Fun times. She is getting down. Luckily, we didn't get the header smashed, so that's a plus.
Do you see what's holding here?
Nope.
Oh, super. There it is, right there.
Oh, that little rivet.
See what I'm saying? Get in between this. I mean, how hard should it be to... Here, hold this. Let me get it.
Even the drive shaft don't want to come out.
I just spin it. Don't let it.
Oh shit, that's gonna come out anyway.
In there, get it.
Finally. I don't see any marks on the rear end or on the drive shaft.
You don't see what?
I don't see any marks on the drive shaft like it hit anything.
No.
So that's a plus.
Jaguar also wasn't that bad.
Bent enough though. Got the oil draining. Slowly working on getting the motor out. soon as that pan gets done draining, we'll push her out and dump the water out of the radiator. Oh. Gonna need 2 of them, Douglas.
Well, I'm making a travel West Virginia worthy. I'm worried about foliage.
Are you saying Randy drives like a bat out of hell?
I'm not saying nothing. I'm just saying I don't want to lose parts and break more lines. And
Well, we definitely need a right front brake line again.
yes, sir. Well, we got them.
At least you won't lose the pit cart.
Nope, won't crash a pit cart in a trailer.
Nope.
Well, she was a pretty productive night for a couple hours. Motor's out of it. All this stuff's out of it. We got to finish pulling off the front suspension tomorrow. We're going to wash it tomorrow night. Rear end will come out of it tomorrow. And then she'll be ready to go to the jig to get checked. That's going to do it for tonight. It's 8:30. We're calling it a night, but not a bad night. We'll catch y'all tomorrow night. Well, it's Tuesday night. We got to get her completed tonight so she can go to Randy's tomorrow. Doug's taking some plates off. We're going to push her out and give her a good bath so she don't go to Rocket dirty. If you're curious how hard the hit was, that spot right there is from Daryn's elbow, his right elbow. He has a good mark on it. And I don't know if Flo showed it or you could see it if you were there Saturday night, but when he got out, I could tell he was hurt. His right arm was just kind of like dead against his body. He wasn't moving it. He said he couldn't feel it for a couple minutes. His elbow whacked that so hard. But he's fine now. We're gonna get seat cushions out of it, get her washed up, finish getting her stripped down.
Loading.
Hit Randy's.
Yeah, me and Randy.
Well, she's empty.
Well,
Rear
you gotta leave it on the parts, right?
Front end,
No, we're gonna slide on the frame.
seats out of it.
I just wonder if we should take the lead and... I can't see doing that.
Yeah, I don't know.
And the battery box, I could take the battery box out, but
You're saving 5 pounds there.
it's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nothing. The switch is off anyway. It's disconnected.
Yeah.
Well,
Our job's done.
off to Randy's she goes tomorrow.
Storms are a-coming.
Imagine that. Tonight, I don't think anything tomorrow, but then Wednesday or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're playing the rain game way too much this year. That's going to do it. We will be at Peevely Saturday night in the white car, the all-white car. This one here was the black car last year. Daryn and Dave are steadily getting that one put together. They had to put a nose on it because we pulled the nose off of it and put it on here. Same as with the roof and sail panels. And then Daryn's got to put his seat in. We'll be watching the forecast. Could be a long day Saturday if we do race, because we're going to have to go to Daryn's and get it loaded up and then head to Peevely from Highland. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. I'm going to get caught back up on them here soon. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Catch you all this weekend or next. See ya.